Today, I'm going to teach you how to install EmbedPress PDF in WordPress Elementor. This plugin is incredibly useful because it allows you to embed PDF documents directly into your Elementor pages, making your content more accessible and professional looking for your visitors. Let's start by opening your website's WordPress admin dashboard. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access the backend of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your WordPress options on the left-hand sidebar. Now, navigate to the Plugins section. You'll find this on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Plugins, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Plugin. This is where you can browse and install new plugins to extend your WordPress functionality. Once you're on the Add Plugin page, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. This is where you'll type in the name of the plugin we're looking for. Go ahead and search for EmbedPress. Just type it into that search bar, and the results will automatically populate below. In the search results, you'll see the EmbedPress plugin appear. It should be one of the top results. When you spot it, look for the Install Now button directly on the plugin card. Click on Install Now, and WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin onto your site. This process usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. This is a crucial step because simply installing the plugin doesn't make it functional yet. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Once activated, EmbedPress will be ready to use within your Elementor editor, allowing you to seamlessly embed PDF files into your pages and posts. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated EmbedPress PDF in your WordPress Elementor site. You can now start embedding PDF documents into your pages to enhance your content and provide better resources for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.